Alright, it says Andrew drains water from a hot tub. The hot tub holds 1600 liters of water. Okay, it takes 2 hours for the water to drain. So this is actually a process of water being drained. But he takes the amount of water every 10 minutes. Do you see that? Like 10 minutes pass, he measures it. 10 minutes pass, he measures it. Right? But really, really there will be a value in between, right? So you can sort of imagine this will follow some kind of curve that looks like this. But in real life, if you have to measure anything, you can't measure infinitely in infinite intervals. You gotta measure it like every 1 minute interval, 30-second interval, even 10-second interval. You gotta decide on a particular increment in x value. Okay. So what is the rate of change, right? What is the rate of change? What's the average rate of change from here to here, let's say? So between 0 to 10. Well, how do you evaluate that? You take these value here. All right, so the average, okay, if I should say there's average rate of change, add one more column here, will be the difference between these two, so 1600 minus 1344 over the increment is 10, so that's the average rate of change, okay, in that particular interval. Okay, I can take a bigger interval. Let's say I pick one here. What's the average rate change from here all the way to here, let's say? Okay, so what do we pick here? This is actually 30 and this is 90. All right, so 30 all the way up to 90. Okay, so what we do is we take these two values. Delta y will be 800 and delta x will be 90 minus 30, it's 60, right? Okay, so that will be the average rate change from the time of 30 minutes up to 90 minutes. And it's going to be different, okay? And it should be. Do you understand what I mean by finding the average rate of change? So you can do it with data too. It doesn't have to be a smooth curve. If it was given an equation, usually like a function, right? To get these y value, you would actually have to plug in a value of x and you have to find the y value. Okay? If you're given data, you just use the data directly, which is easier. Any questions in terms of how to find the rate of change with given data? Okay.